So you're wanting to use AI, artificial intelligence, to grow your social media. You're not quite sure what ways you can do or what programs or platforms can help or can benefit. Well, I want to share with you a few ways that you can use AI to your advantage to grow your social media. But first, need you to put a like to this video. Definitely will help me help people like you that want to grow your business and want to find out more information when it comes to social media and networking. And definitely subscribe to this channel. Definitely would help me bring more information to people like you. My name is Lutalo K. I'm a social media strategist, and it is my goal and my aim to help as many people as possible to grow their social media, help with their networking, which in turn help them grow their business. So let's get into it. The first platform that you can look at is Facebook. Facebook now in its search and in its messenger has an AI feature where you can actually do searches. So when you're looking for, say, titles for your social media, which is something I want to talk about, or you're looking for ways to navigate and do certain searches on Facebook, there is an AI mechanism. There's an artificial intelligence mechanism that definitely helps you with your searches. Now, with all these platforms, it is still about how you ask the question, because you have to feed it to it, and it can feed it back. Can't read your mind, but Facebook has it where if you go to the Facebook search and if you go to Messenger, there are AI features that will help you with your searches. The next thing, Instagram. If you're on Instagram and you actually go ahead and do a search on Instagram, there are AI features that can help you with Instagram. And also when sending messages, there are AI features that are now embedded in the Instagram. So it can help you with your message, with creating your message. If you're sending messages to respond to say inquiries that you've got, or DMs, or you're trying to send DMs to people on Instagram, there are features that are there that can help. So you want to look into that. The next thing is Google. So Google, for me, I actually try my best to really come up with good titles, like we all do when we're wanting to do our blogs or our social media videos. And Google, definitely, they're stepping up on their AI game. You actually see more features at the top where you do searches, and they'll give you more of an explanation. And of course they have to, because AI is stepping up. But Google is still a great search engine, definitely a great way for you to capture information. And if you're needing to use that, say you're trying to do a search for whatever topic that you're trying to do, and those topics still go back to, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, and definitely going into Google. Next platform is YouTube. Second largest search engine next to Google. YouTube, I personally do a lot of searches on YouTube. You got to be careful not to get too engulfed in them, but YouTube is definitely a help, and there are AI features now within YouTube that helps you really navigate through whatever it is that you want to search when it comes to searching for any tools to your advantage on social media. vidIQ. For anyone that's on YouTube that's trying to build a YouTube channel, vidIQ is a great software. What I love about vidIQ, not only does it give you good titles, but the descriptions are just off the chain. Yeah, you still have to go in, you have to tweak what you need to tweak on it, but it definitely helps you and gives you a good lead. So vidIQ, I'm not getting any kind of promotion for it, at least not now, but it's definitely a software that I definitely promote because I've used it myself. And lastly, of course, ChatGPT. If you haven't used it, you need to get on ChatGPT. ChatGPT definitely helps you navigate. If you ask the right questions, you just continue to go through it, it can definitely give you enough on whatever topic that you're trying to work on in social media, whatever searches you're trying to do. ChatGPT, I definitely live by it. It has helped me do a lot of different things. You just have to make sure you navigate. It's not going to just give you the answer. You have to make sure that you navigate, but it definitely gives you a good start and a good help. So put in the comments, maybe there's a software that you use that I haven't mentioned that you can help some other people, give suggestions. So what are your thoughts on the list that I just gave? Are there certain things that certain platforms that help you more than other platforms? So, and if you're looking for more tips on how to grow your business, how to grow your social media or networking, please check out my other videos.